Welcome to the Graffiti Jungel, Paulo Lingue. Benvenuti nella giungla di graffiti. Questo è Impostore Rockstar. It's the fake Rockstar chat show. Episodio 33. Age was. Pensieri Tangentiali, formerly known as Tangential Thoughts Chat Show. Shout out to my co-host and Dog Gavin Bailey, podcast with Cigar, Cigar Talk Podcast. Questo è Soggetto 393. It's a lot of threes. What's going on in this one? So because it's whatchamacallit, right? Like for the actual, I wanted to do this live. Time the situation, whatchamacallit, that ain't just. So I'm gonna just go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, go with what I like the best. I don't know what I like more. So, very intentional, very unnecessary, very cool. And there's no more, this, that, and the third is like, gotta go ahead and get this one in there. And yeah, it's not already panning out smoothly. I've been doing this pretty well the last few, yeah. It's very unnecessary. That was the whole point and the whole reason. Like, I will get better at it. And I was getting better at it. Like, it was pretty smooth. I was doing way better than whatever I just did like there. This is wild. This is why I should have did this live. This is why we should do it live. We'll do it live. This is exactly why. It's not smooth at all. At all. This made this whole thing a little bit more, it didn't have to be. Let me just go and put this away. We're wasting time here. Okay. I'm gonna have to pull that back out. Anyway. Questo è Soggetto 393. This is subject 393. Sono tuo capo, Chief Cigar. Alright, welcome to the Graffiti Jungel, Paulo Lingue. Benvenuti nella giungla di graffiti. Questo è Impostore Rockstar. Great Rockstar Chat Show. Episodio 33. It's episode 33. I want to make sure I say that. I'll be forgetting to say the episode number. Great Rockstar Podcast. Playlist. Whatever. Anyway, man. We got an unboxing today. See, I done wasted so much daggone time. This is just, I am flabbergasted. We didn't even get lit up yet. Oh gosh, what are we doing? Yeah, I don't even like doing, I like doing like this. I'm not editing this out. So, the theme, well, let's take a step back. The goal for the year is to order at least one, is to have at least one merch unboxing every month. That's the goal. There were other goals, they fell by the wayside. This goal is still intact. Now the thing is, I'm just coming to the point, it actually doesn't matter what it is. As long as it's something. I get excited about all my merch, but the theme for this year has been delay. Like, there's been a delay at some point. Either in the production process, delivery process. This one came in the ordering part. Every part of the delivery, okay. Couple things I want to say about this one before I go ahead and get it. The last bandana I designed that I got was called, me and Bailey would have had matching bandanas. I got one for her and I would have got one for me. That was like the first bandana I ordered for myself. I also ordered it as a like large. This one went with the medium because the large was relatively large. So that's what it is. See how it looks. I'll explain more on the I'll be explaining more on the live stream. But even this one still looks relatively big. So Cubone Bandana. Cubone Bandana. I designed this, I put it on my head. Let me figure this out. I'm running out of time.